In this video, we have given that 2.3 power x is equal to 0.23 power y is equal to 1000. Then we have to find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. So we have given that 2.3 power x is equal to 1000 and 2.3 will be equal to 1000 power 1 by x and 2.3 is equal to 1000 is 10 power 3 power 1 by x. So 2.3 will be equal to 10 power 3 by x. Suppose this is equation 1 and we have 0.23 power y is equal to 1000 and 0.23 will be equal to 1000 power 1 by y and 0.23 will be equal to 1000 is 10 power 3 power 1 by y. So 0.23 will be equal to 10 power 3 by y. Suppose this is equation 2 and if we divide equation 1 by equation 2, then we will get 2.3 by 0.23 is equal to 10 power 3 by x by 10 power 3 by y, and 2.3 by 0.23 will be equal to 10, that will be equal to 10 power 3 by x minus 3 by y, and it is 10 power 1. So 1 will be equal to 3 by x minus 3 by y, and it is 1 is equal to 3 times 1 by x minus 1 by y. So 1 by x minus 1 by y will be equal to 1 by 3. It is 1 by 3.